This hunt was just supposed to be a quick little hour or so for Dakota and I to get out. The heavy rain had quit, so we're going to enjoy the break in the weather and just get some exercise.
Very, very quiet. We're hunting pheasant and quail with Jughead and Dakota.
Okay, maybe some geese too.
That's it. Oh, buddy. Kill him. Good job.
Now let's go hunting.
As soon as we got to this grass and started working along the edge, Dakota wanted to go. I had to bring him back several times. I knew at the end there was going to be a bird. Despite knowing the bird was going to be there, the first shot was behind. I think I had proper lead for the second shot, but the bird was starting it to go back down behind the trees. Ended up resulting in a high shot.
Here.
I really didn't plan to go back into the brush and chase the birds, but Dakota's nose led us back there, and I was more than willing to trust it. This is where the smart roosters hang out. And we ended up pushing one out that Dakota had worked real hard to put up, but I didn't get a shot from him.
Well, now we know where he went.
This is more what I imagine some of my friends back in Michigan and Minnesota have to deal with. Not to mention my old ancestors back in England.
Well, let's see what this produces. Let's see what this produces.
Dakota got really birdie through here, and we spent several minutes working this scent trail. First, I thought the rooster was circling back around behind us, but we didn't find him. And then we went all the way out to the slough. Dakota crossed the slough into the other grass. We still never found him, but it was a good effort.
Bastard trying to sneak back around.
Did push 3 flocks of waterfowl off the slough though. Once I was pretty sure we weren't getting any pheasants up, I decided to go ahead and take a shot at it. I just went over the top of this guy though. Dakota had been working this scent trail along the slough, so I suspected we were going to push something up. When this hen came up, it was just a quick window of opportunity to get a shot off before he went past the next bush. She won on this one.
Go. Hunt him up.
Our local hunting area has several patches of this grass out in the middle of the hayfields. It's funny because I've never pushed a rooster out of them, though I've pushed several hens from them.
Get in there. Good dog. Here.
Well, the last third of this grass, Dakota, was
Here.
definitely birdie. You saw him loop back and get onto this hen. I had an improved
Good
cylinder in, so it was pretty
Drop
pretty easy
Drop
just to draw up. Everything
job.
was looking good, feeling good. Pull the
Nice
trigger
job.
with her pretty close. He wasn't ready to give up on this area. He was smelling where that bird had been, and we spent a couple minutes working it because you never know when there's actually going to be a second bird there. A lot of times the hens and roosters are paired up together. Well, thanks for coming along on this quick hunt with Dakota and I. I hope you enjoyed it. We spent about an hour and 15 minutes out walking, enjoying some beautiful fresh air. Got one bird in the bag. We put up 3 hens total, missed 2. Put up 1 rooster we didn't get a shot at, and of course we missed the duck. Better luck next time. We'll see y'all later. Jughead's out.